Hello students, welcome to Hari Chemistry. Please subscribe my channel. So today's session we will discuss Clemmensen reduction. What is Clemmensen reduction? So Clemmensen reduction is a reduction of carbonyl compounds into alkanes. Means the carbonyl compounds of aldehydes and ketones are converting into their corresponding alkane. C double bond O group converts into CH2. That is a Clemmensen reduction. In this Clemmensen reduction reaction, the reaction is carried out under acidic conditions. Generally, the Clemmensen reduction is particularly it is effective on alkyl aryl ketones. So let us see the Clemmensen reduction reaction here. R1 C double bond O R2. This is a zinc amalgam. Under acidic condition, the C double bond O group is converts into CH2 and the byproducts are zinc chloride and water is our byproducts. Here the carbonyl compound is converts into alkane. Here R1 may be alkyl or aryl group, R2 may be hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group. So this is a Clemmensen reduction. Generally the Clemmensen reduction reaction made through the possible mechanisms are carbanionic mechanism and carbonide mechanism. We will see the mechanism of Clemmensen reduction reaction of carbanionic mechanism. We will take the carbonyl compound C double bond O R1 R2. Here R1 may be alkyl or aryl group, R2 may be hydrogen or alkyl or aryl. So react under acidic conditions H plus. The bond is migrate towards oxygen atom and here so it donates pair of electron to the hydrogen atom and it becomes protonated R1 R2 OH. OH. So this carbon gets carbonyl carbon gets positively charged. Again react with catalyst. So zinc undergoing oxidization process. So minus Zn plus 2. It gives 2 electrons to the carbonyl carbon atom. This carbonyl carbon gets negative charge OH, negative charge. Then it reacts with 2H plus. 1H plus is added to the carbonyl carbon atom and another hydrogen is added to the OH group. Here we will see the product R1, R2. One hydrogen is added here and another hydrogen is added here. So this is positive charge. So the next step here, it leaves water molecule minus H2O. Here R1, R2, hydrogen and this carbon gets partial charge. Again it react with zinc undergoing oxidization process. It donates electrons to the carbonyl deficient carbonyl carbon and again this carbon gets partial positive charge, partial negative charge. So hydrogen. So this is hydrogen is added here. Then again react with under acidic conditions R1, under acidic conditions R1, R2. The hydrogen is added here. The two hydrogens are added, carbonyl, carbon. So this is alkane. So carbonyl compound, carbonyl compound, carbonyl compound converts into alkane. So this is a Clemmensen reduction reaction carbanionic mechanism. Here the total 4 electron transfer is takes place in this reaction. 4 electron transfer takes place. 4 electron transfer takes place. In this reaction, zinc is acts as a catalyst. Acts as a catalyst. Acts as a catalyst. So this is the simple mechanism. Keto group plus multiple bonds. We'll see the example. C double bond O react with zinc amalgam HCl. Zinc amalgam HCl. Here the product is here the C double bond O group is reduced. C double bond O carbonyl group is reduced, but there is no change in multiple bonds. Hello students, when keto group plus multiple bonds will present, only keto group reduced, but there is no change in multiple bonds. Remember. Second application, if keto group plus alcoholic group will present, OH react with zinc amalgam HCl. The product is Cl CH3. So in this reaction, the OH group is substituted by chlorine. The OH group is substituted by Cl. Means here the side reaction is possible in Clemmensen reduction reaction. But when we will see the Wolff-Kishner reduction, the side reaction can be avoided. Here the carbonyl group is reduced into CH2 and the OH group is substituted by Cl. This is very, very important. When the OH group means alcoholic group will be present, these alcoholic groups substituted by chlorides. Second example, methoxy OH C double bond O CH3, zinc amalgam HCl. In this case, the OH group cannot be substituted by Cl because the nucleophilic substitution is not possible. Nucleophilic substitution is not possible on sp2 carbon of benzene ring. But In this above case, above example, the OH group is substituted by Cl. Here the side reaction is possible, but when the OH group, alcoholic group, is attached to the benzene ring, the nucleophilic substitution is restricted. Means the nucleophilic substitution is not easy on sp2 carbon of benzene ring. So therefore only the carbonyl reduction takes place. So if the carbonyl reduction takes place, the compound is, our product is OMe, and there is no change in OH, means the substitution is not possible. Here only the C double bond O group is reduced into CH2. Remember, this is very, very important. We will see the third example. This is OH, C double bond O, CH3. React with zinc amalgam HCl. Zinc amalgam HCl. Identify possible product. Identify possible product. React with zinc amalgam HCl. The options are OH, CH3. Second option, OH, Cl. Fourth option, Cl. So these are the given options. So we will see what is the possible product during Clemmensen reduction reaction. OH, C double bond O, CH3 react with under acidic conditions. The lone pair of electrons donates to the hydrogen and it becomes protonated. C double bond O, CH3. Here it becomes OH2 plus. Here it cleaves water molecule and also Cl minus attacks the deficient carbon atom. So therefore here the substitution is possible. So in place of OH is substituted by halogen. C double bond O, CH3. Again react with zinc amalgam HCl. Zinc amalgam HCl. So we know very well the carbonyl compounds are reduced into alkane. Cl, CH2, CH3. So this is the possible product. So the given options, option 3 is correct. CH3. The given options, option 3 is correct answer. So this is a keto group plus alcoholic group is present.